Okay, let's talk about General tab and its settings. We create an Omni light here. And as you can see, you can change the color of the light. It's very easy. I will be explaining more about how to pick color. We have lots of way to pick in color. The color picker software is very interesting and powerful. Or you can use a temperature of the color, cooler color or warmer color. Or you can change the intensity of the light. How powerful is this? And you can change the type. I will explain it before. Shadow, visibility. And now I want to explain this. I explained them before. No illumination. For example, here I create a hard shadow. Yeah. No illumination. It means you turn the light off. No illumination. It means you turn it on or off here. Nice. But in this settings. Ambient light. If you turn it on, as you can see, it just calculate the ambient. Look at. It does not calculate the diffuse. As you can see, we have some specular here that it's when you turn the ambient illumination, turn like this. Or you can turn it diffuse. As you can see, diffuse is the whole lighting in the scene. And just if you turn off the diffuse, you can see just a specular on the objects. Or if you don't need to these speculars, you can turn it off. As you can see, a little highlight on object or specular. Global illumination, GI illumination, I have to explain in a separate lesson. These parts are just for showing some things. For example, show illumination. If you turn it on or off, you cannot see it because you have to turn it to, for example, something like this spotlight. Now, as you can see, just show and hide these illumination handles. And yeah, that's it. That's an Omni. Or you can, if you change the light to the visibility, as you can see, this is an visibility handle. It will be turned on. You can turn it on or off. If sometimes you have a big project and these handles annoying you, you can turn them on or off here. In details, if you active clippings, that I will be explaining it. Again, if it's bothering you, you can turn it on or off. But in this case, we want to show them. And this is all about the settings on General tab. It's very easy. I will be explaining the separate passes when you want to export your light to the compositing, or for example, After Effects or other software, Photoshop, for example. You need to do this.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.